How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to attempt to clean this really disgusting steering wheel. Initially I thought the leather was just cracked and messed up, but then I saw a picture online where somebody just used something called Wonder Wipes and basically restored the steering wheel to new. Wonder Wipes are sold in the UK, so I got the US equivalent, tub of towels. But yeah, it removes grease, oil, and tar, so should be able to do the same thing. I had this steering wheel cover on it for a bit and it did great. You know, it's super plain and it looked stock, but I would much rather just be able to use the steering wheel without a cover. And also just see if we can get this looking brand new again. So here we go. So I've gone through about 10 wipes and yeah, it's already starting to come off and you can see the leather just underneath. I guess when I bought the vehicle, it had a steering wheel cover on it already, so I wonder if they just got a bunch of buildup or it was already like this and they put a steering wheel cover on as well. But yeah, looks like it's coming off. I only have 40 wipes in this tub of towels though, so hopefully that gets the job done. Finished off the tub of towels and got lots and lots of layers of nastiness off. And then I continued with Mr. Clean Clean Freak Multi-Purpose Cleaner using these towels. And the steering wheel is looking a lot cleaner, feeling a lot cleaner too. Just waiting for it to dry off, and then I'm gonna go back over it with some Chemical Guys leather protectant spray. And that's it. I ended up using a magic eraser for a couple spots that were still kind of shiny, but overall feeling a lot smoother than it did before and cleaner. If I had to do it again, I would probably not use the Clean Freak Mr. Clean sprayer, just because I think it might be a little too much, and also I went a little too hard with the towels that I was using. So tub of towels and then the magic eraser and you're good to go. Hope this helped. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and have a great day.